Hi guys, and today I will explain if else, and previously I will explain only if, and after if we get a if else. If else is a true or false statement, only true or false. That's a main content of this. And if content of only true statements will print, and if else only true or false will printed, false also printed and true also printed. If only true statement printed, and if else is only true statements printed, also false statements also printed. Okay, true statement and false is the false statement also printed. And let's get the video. I will thank you for watching, and first of all, for now, and I will create one project, I will create one package, I will create one class name is tc001 if else, and I will enable public static void and finish it. And I will create one a value 10 and int p value 20, and I will write one statement a is greater than b. Okay, we'll print that statement, and after is a is a true statement, I will create if else is a false statement. Once e is b is greater than a. This is the a greater than a is greater than 10, and which statement will printed, and you will answer is getted, and you mention comment section. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And first of all, int a is equal to 20, b is equal to 10, and a is a greater than 10, sorry, a is a greater than b, sorry, and a is a greater than b, and a is a greater than b, and that statement is true, and we will print this is a true statement. We'll print true statement, and which is the that print the false statement will print this false statement. Okay, this is a print only true statement is printed on if condition. This is a if else is a true or false also printed. This is a true statement, this condition is true, printed true statement, this condition is false, printed false statement. Okay, and let's run it the, and I will run this program, and b is a greater than 10, b is a greater than 10. Why? Because is b is greater than 10, because a I will condition is not true, is a less than a less than b, condition is not a wrong condition. I'll write it, that the reason we statement false statement is printed. Okay, I will a less than, less than operator is a wrong statement, wrong condition. That's the reason we creating. uh, I will create a new condition, a greater than b. This condition is true. We printed true statement, and a is greater than b. This condition is true. That's it, guys. This is a true or false, only if else. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And thank you guys. And we will more videos, I will subscribe it.